Don't have to worry about buying the lids and everything and put the wax.
Okay, so what we got going now,
Hi.
we got all the strawberry jam is in the jars, and I'll show you these over here.
You can reuse the lids.
Here's the jam. Now these ones I've already got the wax in there, but I'm going to show you how we're going to do that. So what I'm going to do is I have the paraffin wax is melted in here.
Boil that. Your jam jar.
So I'm just going to take it,
Oh, yeah.
a little bit of layer on there, and then that's going to set up,
I hear ya.
and then you can put your lid on. You wait till it sets up, and this is going to seal it.
Come on.
I know.
What do you think they do in the colonial days? Do you think they throw it away? No, they scoop it
And
out.
this is old style. This is how my grandparents did it when they did it back in the day. But this way, thank you. This way, then what you're going to do is you're going to put your seal on there, obviously, and screw it down, but you don't have to do anything else. With the wax, it's going to seal it up, it's going to preserve it good, and you have strawberry jam. So we got 4 there, 4 that are done here, so we got 16, 17 altogether out of 5 quarts of strawberries. So 5 quarts of strawberries ended up making these are 2 cups worth in each jar. Each one of these jars is 2 cups worth. So it's 17 jars, so obviously 34 cups. And that's that. It's really not that difficult. And I hope you enjoyed this. And leave comments, let me know what you think. But if you can see with the jam, we got a lot of good thickness of the strawberries. We didn't take it down to a liquid. Because when I have my strawberry jam, I like to have some chunks in there as well. So that's it for now. Thank you for listening. I hope this was informative. I hope you learned something. And but the paraffin wax, I'll show you this here again. Just a box. This is the kind that we got, and it was, and there it is, all melted down. Got a little pan, got the ladle, and that's it. So you know, it was it's fun. It was a good time. I hope you guys enjoyed watching, and that's it for now. Thanks for listening. Prepper Nurse 1 out.